My name is Alan Bell, and I'm a salesperson at Briarwood Ford. What got me in the car business was just that you meet new people every day where no 2 days are alike. Some days I'm trying to solve a problem for a customer. The next day I'm trying to find a certain vehicle for a customer or trying to make a payment work. If you're doing your job right, you approach it as how you can do something to help the customer rather than looking at it as the customer doing something to help you. I'm a drag racer. I visited my brother in Louisiana in 1989 on his birthday, and we went to the drag strip and he put me in his race car, and I won the event that day and had no idea what I was doing other than him telling me, when you see that last yellow, hit the gas. So then my street car that I'd had forever, I put a big block Chevy in it in 1990. Thought I was going to keep driving it back and forth to work every day. Soon realized I'd put a race motor in a street car. That got real expensive real quick, and then I was going way too fast to ever take it down the road again. It's 100% competition. I bracket race. It's like high-speed target practice, and whichever one of you is closest goes on to the next round. The other guy puts his car back in his trailer, goes home crying. Why I would recommend Briarwood Ford, I would have to refer back to our tagline, we're just nicer. The best deals in the state of Michigan are at the corner of state and Michigan.